Assalamu Alaikum, it's Elvira from Masho.com, and today I will show you a very interesting hijab style. It calls one size turban hijab style. I will use this very soft and very nice fabric. It's viscose. So let's see how it's gonna be. So I will keep one side short and one side is long. Let's check it out. So here we go, one size turban style. It looks very nice and you don't need any pin, you just hold itself. Thank you for watching Masho.com, and if you really like this hijab, you can find it on www.masho.com. Thank you for watching.